Go to the studio. Click on the transactional process. Click on that create. See, first of all, I want to show you that what exactly the manual process. After that, I will explain that. That means after that, I will start my implementation. Okay. Drag a sequence, set as start node. So leave this one. I want to show you that manual process first. I want to open that any desk. I have opened that any desk. Here I want to add that so remote desktop ID. So 193704839. Successfully connected to the remote desk. Observe this one. In this remote desktop, I have a school management system SMS application. Just I want to double click on that. Click on that add teachers. Here I want to add the teachers data. See, we know 04011223344. Phone is 9390864006. Email is abhinav@gmail.com. Click on that, save, and finally close that application. This is the simple remote desktop application automation. Right now, I want to show you the implementation. See, right now, observe this. See, I want to open that run by using that hotkey. So right now, send hotkey is activity. Already we know that Windows are. Just I want to check it. Click here, run this file. Successfully open that run. Okay, so right now here I want to enter that any desk ID. Okay, any desk file path. Just I have to enter here. So right now, take the type into activity. Type into activity. Drag and drop. Click here. Indicate that. And then right now, just I want to add that any desk file path. So plus that enter. Okay. So I want to check it whether it is successfully opening that any desk or not. See, in case if there is any text in the text box, so that I have to remove it. So that's why empty field checkbox, you have to enable it. Empty field checkbox, you have to enable it. Right now, click here, run this file. Observe this one. Right now, see, successfully opened. So we can by entering that so Emidius ID in this text box, or else you can directly click on that image. Already we know that how to enter the text in the text box. How to handle this image, I want to show you right now. This is the image. So that's why, so that image is interacting with a double click. So that's why you have to use that double click image. Double click image is the activity. Drag and drop, click here, scrap the part of that image. Right now, after clicking on that, we have to, so it will take time to connect into the remote desk. Okay, right now, so I will check it whether it is successfully, say, connecting to that remote desk or not. Successfully opened, and then right now it is connecting. To connecting to that remote desk, it is taking some time. So that's why here I want to take that some delay. See, I want to take the delay is called as hours, minutes, and 20 seconds of delay I have taken right now. Okay. Say it's open here. You have to minimize. Okay. Say right now we have to interact with this school, this icon. Okay. So right now, so the remote desk completely called as an image. Okay. So for example, if you take that normal click activity, double click activity, if you try to interact with that one, it is completely selecting that image. Okay, for remote desktop application automation purpose, we have to use that only image related activities, we have to use it, and then hotkeys only, we have to use it. Right now, just I want to show you, double click image, drag and drop. This time, click here, and then, so once if you take the double click image, it is not highlighting the entire the screen. Right now, just I have scrap the part of this icon. Okay, right now it will be open. After opening that, after opening this desktop application, that we have to interact with add teachers. Right now, observe this. See, I want to take click image activity. This is, see, click image is it is a single click, and double click image it is a double click. So right now my add teacher is interacting with that single click. So click here and then scrap the part of this image. Okay, scrap the part of that image, and then so double click. Right now, sorry, just you have to click on that. single click. Right now, so here we have your text boxes. To interact with the text boxes, you can use that normal type into activities. There is no other separate activities. Right now, I want to take that type into is the activity. I want to take that 5 type into activities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, again, I have to interact with that button. So save button. So that's why click image activity and finally close that application. So that's why again click image activity. I have taken this one. Right now, so indicate on screen. So it is highlighting the screen, but you have to scrap the part of the image. And then again indicate, scrap the part of the image, indicate, scrap the part of that image, phone home, and then phone mobile, and email. And then, so click here, save, and then finally, I want to click on that close. So I want to click on this close. Okay, right now, see, observe this one. Right now, I'm closing this application. So I want to close it completely remote desk. Right now, observe this one. See, the first name, I want to use that Srikar, and then surname, Vardu. See, phone, 040 1122 33 Next, phone mobile, 9390864006. See, right now, email, @gmail.com. See, observe this one. In between these text boxes, so cursor wants to move it. At that time, you must be use that tabs. Otherwise, it will be update that or enter the text in a single text box. So that's why here we have to must be add that tabs. Right now, scrap this and click on the tab. Click here. Click on the tab. Click here. Select the tab. Click here. Select the tab. Select the tab. Okay, that is enough. Right now, observe this one. So right now, I want to run this process. My bot only connect to that remote desk and then log on to that one. And after that, so it will be interact with the desktop application, update the data and close that application. So click here, run this file. Successfully opened. Here, the person is not ready right now. Actually, we given only 20 seconds of delay. So it may be sufficient, it may not be sufficient. So yes, exactly working. So right now it is entering the data. Oh, unfortunately missed the text because I have add that tab, mobile, See here, so what I have missed here, tab. tab. I will run it again. Click here, run this file. Successfully interacted and then updating the data. Length. So something I have given that long mail ID. That's why I have an issue. Click here, run that file. Successfully update the data and close that application. So this is right now I have interacted with that UI elements by using image related activities. Okay, in that remote desktop, whatever that so icon is there, and then whatever that text boxes and then button, each and every one I have interacted by using so image related activities. Right now I want to show you computer vision activities. RDP with the computer vision activities. Click on that save. Say, observe this one. So that CV activities is called as CV. These are called as computer vision activities. How UI element is identified in desktop application and then web application like, so the CV activities will be highlight that UI elements in that remote desktop. In that remote desktop application. Okay, that means individually highlights that indicate that UI elements. Okay, so right now I want to show you whatever. Okay, right now just I want to connect to that remote desktop. Any desk. See, observe this one. See, if you want to use that CV activities, you have to use that CV screen scope is the activity. Drag and drop. Just we have to click on that I agree. Drag that one. So right now I want to try to indicate that remote desk. Click here and then remote desk as I have selected. So it is asking server API key missing or invalid. So copy it from that orchestrator itself. Okay, UiPath cloud itself. Okay, click on that. Okay, observe this one. If you want to use that API, sorry, if you want to use that computer vision activities, you must be use that API. Okay, so we have to use that server API and then URL. By using that, so we can automate it. Okay, right now, if you want to get that API, first of all, you have to, if you want to get that API, go to that orchestrator, platform.uipath.com. I'm connecting to that Srekar account. Okay. Right now, click on that admin page. Okay, click on that licenses page. Click on that robots and services. Observe this one here, computer vision. So you have to generate that API. Right now, there is no API right now. Okay, right now, click on that generate new. Click on that generate. So one API is generated. Click on that copy. I have copied. No need to open this orchestrator account. Just click here and then log out. Sign out. Okay. Right now, that API you have to add it here. Okay, add it here. Click on that. Okay. And then right now, so see, I want to add that URL. This is the URL. See, Control C. So add that URL here. Click on that. Okay. Right now, observe this one. Whatever the remote desktop is there, that you have to indicate on the screen right now. So it is indicating that. Right now in that desktop, I want to interact with that shortcut. That means whatever the school management system shortcut. So see, here we have a CV click is the activity. There is no CV double click. Drag and drop. First of all, click here. Move your cursor. Observe this one. If I move my cursor in that remote desktop icon, automatically it is highlighting that icon. So if you use that normal click activities, highlighted that entire the screen, normal click image activity moved onto the cursor. But here it is highlighting that GUI element, how the desktop and web application, how GUI element is highlighted. Here also it is highlighting right now. Click here. Right now, it is interacting with the double click. So that's why go to the properties. In this properties, click type is called as, so click double. Okay, just use that one. Right now, observe this. Observe this one. See, this part is over. Next, again, if I want to double click on this one. This time, another window will open. Once if the another window is open at that time, okay. So again, you have to use that CV screen scope activity and then so again indicate that UI, okay, in that form. So this time, every time, no need to add that API. Automatically, it will be update that API. API and URL automatically update it. Right now, so to interacting with that, I want to take that CV click activity. CV click activity. It is only CV single click is enough. So that's why move my cursor. Once if I move my cursor, it is highlighting that UI element, right? So okay. Again, if I click that, so add teachers, again, it will be, that means screen change. That means some other form added here. So registration form added here. So that's why, again, you have to take that another CV screen scope and then again indicated the screen. This time, just you have to use that type into CV type into activity. Observe this one. There is a CV type into activities. What are that? So type into activities is required. Just you have to take it 2, 3, 4, 5, and then so I want to take one CV click activity. Okay. See, observe this one. Right now, CV type into click here. Move your cursor. The text box is highlighting individually. Click on that. Again, click here. Another. See, home. Click here. Mobile. Click here. Email. Click here. Save button. Okay. See, after that again, I want to close that application. If I want to close that application, again I will take another CV screen scope. And then right now, after completion of that, it will be close it. So that's why again I have to so indicate on the screen. See, I want to take that one click activity. See click. So then I want to click on that. See, click on that one. Right now, observe this. So I want to enter the text here in this text box. Nag. And then here, phone is 040, sorry, 040 11223344. Mobile is 9390864006. Email is nag@gmail.com. Right, that is enough. Right now, observe this one. Right now, I want to run this process in desktop application and web application. How we have so automated in the same way, it will be automated by using CV activities. Right now, click here and run this file. Double click on that shortcut. Right now, it will be double click on that add teachers. So click on the add teachers. The form opens. It is going to enter the text on that. Finally, close that application. Okay. Observe this one. Finally, close that application. So this is the simple desktop of a remote desktop application automation by using image related activities as well as by using computer vision activities.